This is how to change the rear tail light in a Volkswagen Beetle 2002. First you go inside the trunk, you remove these plastic caps, you have to pry them out with a coin. There's a slot right here, stick your coin in there, pry it out. You have to go inside here, and there's like a wing nut that's attached to a shaft. That's the shaft that sticks through. Goes into the hole in there. You can remove the whole nut so the whole thing can come out. From the outside, it's kind of hard to see, but there's a bracket on each side. You don't want to pry on the left side here. On the outside, you don't want to pry because there's a notch there that this piece fits into right here on my finger. So you want to pry from the inside or the top or the bottom, not on the outside. And then these simply twist off the light bulbs and you twist them out.